Hey all, I was thinking about common chord tones, doing a lesson on that. Well, what's a common chord tone? Well, let's say we have a song, and one of the best examples of a song that has lots of common chord tones is a Beatles song called You Won't See Me. Now, the basic outline of the song is A, B7, D, A. And then the next part goes A7, D, D minor, back to A. And then it goes A, B7, D, A. Now, what does that all mean? Every one of those chords has an A note in it. So that is a common chord tone for each one of those chords. And the Beatles make a lot of use of that. I can't sing it in the key that they do it in. It's too high for me. So to give you an example, I'm just going to try to sing it an octave lower. And I suck at singing, so you just have to deal with it. But anyway, it would go, here's the note. A. So it's Now it goes to A7. Now they're singing it like this. I can't do it, so I'm not even going to try. Even this is a little tough for me to do. So anyway, that's a really good example of a common chord tone. The next song I want to do that incorporates a lot of common chord tones is the song Wonderwall. Now, I'm not going to play it. Normally, Wonderwall is played with capo on the second fret, but I don't want to confuse everybody with the notes because everything is moved up the fretboard by placing the capo on the second fret. So let's just imagine that it's got a capo on. So anyway, the point is the intro, the first chord is E minor 7, add 3. So that's your 7, and there's your 3 on top. So keep in mind that these two notes are a D and a G. The next chord is a power G. And if you look, these two fingers are still in place. Now the next chord is a D sus4. Notice these two fingers haven't moved. And the last chord of the intro is an A7 sus4. Notice these two fingers haven't moved. So in the verse and the intro, these two fingers never move. They stay solid on the neck. So the verse goes the E minor 7, add 3, G, D sus4, A7 sus4, and then it goes to C9, add 5. Notice the two fingers are still here. D sus4, A7 sus4. So again, you got And then something like that. I don't even remember the song, but what I do remember is that these chords all have two notes in common. The song I showed you before, the Beatles song, only had one note per chord, but in this particular song, every chord has two notes. So I hope that makes some sense to you all. Hey, thanks, bye.